Most people get this wrong when filing LLC taxes. They either assume an LLC means no taxes at all, or they wait until the last minute and panic. Here's the truth no one tells you. An LLC does not eliminate taxes. It only changes how you report them. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to file LLC taxes in 2026, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Let's start with the basics. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure, not a tax status by default. Imagine someone like Alex, who runs an online consulting business in the US. He thinks forming an LLC means separate tax rules automatically. But that's where confusion starts. Now here's where it gets interesting. The IRS does not tax LTS the same way for everyone. It depends on how your LLC is classified. It can be a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation for tax purposes. If you are a single-member LLC, like Jake, who runs a freelance design business, your income usually passes through to your personal tax return. This is called pass-through taxation. You report it using Schedule C with your personal form, 1040. But here's the problem. Many beginners mix business and personal expenses. That leads to errors, audits, or missed deductions. Now let's talk about multi-member LLCs. If you have partners, your LLC is treated like a partnership by default. That means you must file Form 1065, and each partner receives a Schedule K-1 showing their share of income. Now here's where it gets more important. Some LLCs choose to be taxed as an S corporation. This can reduce self-employment taxes in certain cases, but it also adds payroll requirements and stricter compliance. This option is often used by growing businesses, not beginners. Next step is bookkeeping. This is where most people fail. You need clear records of income, expenses, invoices, and receipts throughout the year. Without proper bookkeeping, tax filing becomes guesswork. Now let's go, step by step. First, organize your financial records. Second, choose your tax classification. Third, prepare the correct IRS forms based on your LLC type. Fourth, calculate your taxable income after deductions. And finally, file before the deadline. If you use accounting software, this process becomes much easier. Tools like Xero, QuickBooks, or Freegent help automate most of the tracking. But here's the key takeaway. LLC tax filing is not complicated when done early. It becomes stressful only when you delay or ignore proper bookkeeping. So what should you remember? Understand your LLC type, keep clean financial records, and file the correct IRS forms on time. That's the foundation of stress-free tax filing. If you follow these steps, you avoid penalties, reduce mistakes, and stay compliant. If this helped you understand LLC taxes clearly, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple